So you've always wanted one of those nice looking Tesla Cybertrucks that you see on the road today. Well, got some good news for you. Tesla is now offering big Cybertruck discounts, but it comes at a catch. It's because of weak demand. Here's what I mean. After reporting over 1 million pre-orders in 2023 and strong initial sales in 2024, Tesla is now cutting prices on its Cybertruck. The move comes less than a year after launch, signaling a potential slowdown in the demand for the electric pickup. The EV maker is offering discounts of up to $2,600 for the demo version of the Cybertruck and $1,600 for the new models. This is all according to Automotive News. Now, would you buy a Tesla Cybertruck? Why or why not? Let me know in the comment section.